What up guys, this is General for FX, and today I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how I made over 1k trading the USD. And if you check out my YouTube page, you'll see different strategies you can trade with, you can practice with, and hone it to your own style of trading, and you can understand how to use it with your type of strategy, just like this one that I'm about to show you right now. It is very important that you know this, so back test it. Let's get to it. See you. All right, so the first thing we are looking at is the trend, the buyers. Do you want to be do you want to know if you are buyers on a buy or a short, on a long or a short? So looking at this example right here, if I want to plot out my structure like that, you see price came to this area, got rejected, and we're pretty on a long on a bullish ride to that same resistance here, and price tanked to the downside. But before we go ahead, kindly click on that subscribe button right there. Please click on that subscribe button, like this video, and please comment your views and ask questions, and I'll be sure to reply every one of your questions. Let's get to it. Okay, this is a strong trend to the downside, and the buyers are out of the market and the sellers are strong in the market. That is what it implies. So if you look at this, this was around this was on Friday, yeah, when price tanked to the downside. Of course I was not trading that day, and on Monday price gave us this opportunity around here. So let me quickly I'll bring it out for you. So looking at this area, price came down. Okay, let me quickly just use an arrow so you can see it very well. All right, so price tanked to the downside here on Friday, coming down to this recent equal low here, this equal low area here. Sorry about that, this equal low here. All right, so price came to that area, and that was on Friday, and it respected that area pretty much here, and price came up to this area right here, came below it on Monday, around morning, and price came back up to this area, to this resistance. Of course you should already know that the forex market is just about reaction, it's not prediction. You can't predict what it's doing, you just have to understand where it will get to that it will react from. So, and price came back up to this area here, so I was expecting probably it should react from that area right here. And on Monday around the London session, price reacted to that area right there, and price broke below that low, this support that I drew here, this area, this support, and price broke below that support to this area right here, as you can see right there. Let me zoom it in so you can see it properly. All right, price broke down below, and you see price retest that same support done resistance now, as you can see. Now here is where it gets interesting. My entry was on the 5 minutes time frame. All right, this is the 5 minute time frame right here, and this was what we were talking about. All right, let's get to it now. Okay, so we already plotted out, as you can see, as I was explaining on the 15 minute time frame the other time, As you can see, we already plotted out our that key areas turn into a market structure right there. Price coming back to that area, sorry about that, and coming down below, and price breaking down and retesting that resistance, that recent low at this area, as you can see. So quickly, I'm going to be explaining how simple this is and my entry. Now, if you don't know what I'm about to explain to you, there are three aspects of the market. We have the accumulation, we have the consolidation, we have the accumulation, and we have the distribution. Now this consolidation usually take place around the London session. Let me quickly use a cross so you can see. I said London session, around the Asian session. As you can see, this area is the consolidation area right there, where price, you see, is just consolidating, not really doing much, just back and forth around the Asian section. And this London session is the accumulation, where price begins to accumulate, as you can see right there. And as you can see, this is the distribution, which is the New York session. If you can understand this, you can take advantage of the market. And if you want to understand this more, we have a video about that I clearly explained that. You can go down to YouTube and check out for the 10x, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the 10x your portfolio with this strategy in 2024. Go check out the video, you will understand much more on this accumulation, the consolidation, and accumulation and distribution. Now let's get to it. Now this was my this was where we was looking at after this London session. As you can see down below there, that's London session around 8 in the morning, and price came down below this area and retested this. And at this area, I was looking for price to come back to probably this other block here, this area here, or this fair value gap, this imbalance right here. Like I said, if you want to understand this properly, we have all the videos you need on this channel. Just go down there and check around, you'll see everything. All right, so this was the fair value gap that I was looking at here, and I was waiting for market to come back to that area right there, and at least I set a sell limit at the 50% of this order block right there, and we caught a nice move to the downside. Actually, in all sincerity and in all honesty, we took out our position around this area right here, this low. Yep, so we risked nothing less than 4 pips for an amazing 1 to 4, or more than 1 to 5. That's almost because it will be 20 pips if it is 1 to 5. So risking, let's say I'm risking 1, so this is just a nice 1 to 4 risk to reward. Very, very beautiful trade. It happens almost all the time in the market. All you need to know is follow the market direction. You already know the buyers. The market is trending on the downside on the higher time frame, and this area, you're looking for an area where let me quickly give you an example. If I want to give you a more concise explanation on this, so you see there's this consolidation. This area, price was not breaking up to the upside right there. It did not break up to the upside. Instead, it reacted to this area and broke down below that trend line right there, and retested that support there, turn resistance. And you already know, as this break of this trend line, you already know, okay, this is a downtrend already, so you're only looking for your positions right there. And for structure or for trend line kind of a traders, they might have taken their position right around here. I'm sure right around here. It's also good. It's not bad at all. But also sticking to something like this happens almost all the time, and it gives you 70% win rate almost all the time, and gives you less risk to reward. Alright, till I come your way next time, please click on that subscribe button. Do not forget to comment your views and like this video, and learn from this video. Backtesting strategy, it happens almost all the time. Peace and love.